Hey everybody, welcome to Setta's Place. We're outside today. We got a bird feeder and we're gonna put it up in this tree right here. Cause right there is where the little it's a nest with some birdies, baby birdies in there. So we're gonna set it up right here. Well, Jeff is. I say we. But anywho, so come along with us and take a watch.
So we're going to start with what they call paracord, very strong. And I'm going to cut about, I want to say anywhere from 10 to 12 feet of cord.
Yeah.
Where you want it, on this side of the knot?
Yeah, wherever you think, babe. Yeah, I think right there is good because that seems like a strong section. So this is what we got here. A little feeder, like a little house.
Now with the cord, I'm going to attach it to the tree to tie the rope off so that, you know, when we come out to fill it with seed or whatever, you know, we don't have to climb the tree. So
That's a good thing.
What you want to do, what I do is about right here, tap a little hole in there, and it's not hurting the tree at all. You want to screw it in there. Then comes the part setup. I think we should probably, well, we want to keep it away from her neck as much as possible. You see what I'm saying? Be right here. So let's go ahead and tie this off for the time being. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now bring me the feeder.
Okay.
Attach the feeder. What I do is I do
Okay.
the same kind of knot that I use on the fishing bank. Bring that through and you pull it as tight as possible. So if that squirrel decides he wants to get up there and mess with this thing, he pulls on it and it'll get tight. And there you have. So what we'll do now, so you get the seed.
Okay.
Okay, what we'll do now, Cosetta, you grab the seed and we'll fill it and then we'll string it as high as we want it to go.
Okay.
Okay, now that we have our seed, we're going to fill the feeder. ahead and put the lid on that and you hold it steady. And I'll raise it up as high as we need to go.
Here it goes, y'all.
How high?
Can we have a little lower so we can see them? Or you think that right there? What do you think?
That's cool. Right there.
Can y'all see? I don't think y'all can see. Where is it? Oh, I can't even see it. On here. That's crazy. I can't even see it. Oh, here it is. Let me go do it like this. There it is. There it is, y'all. There. The birds are gonna love this. So like I said, there's babies and birds in that hole right there. And so yeah. Oh, here comes the, oh.
They're coming in already. They're coming in.
Okay, so this is the bird feed we got from Walmart. It says it does Eastern Towhee. That one. Northern Cardinal. We definitely got some of those. Blue Jay. We get blue jays, right?
We got several of them.
Song Sparrow.
Yep, we got several of them.
And Tuft Titmouse.
Yes.
I've seen those somewhere. Do we have them here?
Yep, they're all over.
Yeah, so this is what's in the feeder. For wild bird feed, it says. Okay, everybody, we decided to move the bird feeder to a different tree, and we'll take you over there so you can see. I think it might work even better. And but yeah, so he's taking it down right here, and we'll move it over there.
We've decided to remove the bird feeder and relocate it to another tree for the fact that the mother has babies in here, and we don't want conflict between her raising a family and the birds coming to eat. So we're going to move it to a tree that's in the other yard.
Yeah.
Instead of you hold on to that.
I got it. I'm gonna move it. Moving day already. Okay, we decided to move it over here. We're just gonna see if this branch can support it. See how well it works, because the birds come right here anyway. Because when we throw out bread or whatever, this is where they come. So we're gonna try it right here. Oh yeah, it needs to go down further. Yeah. Here, let me help. Oh, shoot. Okay, you need me to hold it while you do the...
Yeah, just hold it right there. That's what I'll do.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. I'm not holding it. Can we bring it down a little further?
You want it down some?
A little bit, so we can see better. Okay, right there, I think. You need me to hold it while you tie it off?
No, I'm good, because I'm going to cut this anyway. Just leave it tied to the tree. Like 3 times around.
You really get a good view from here. You need me to put it in, or you gonna hold it down?
I'll hold it down. Do you want me to put it in there?
Yeah. Oh, I think you see some more of that.
I am.
You always back to the camera. You can go to the side. If you just move that away, just point this pen. He's looking around, but yay! That's 2 hits. I think it's the same one though, which is all right. He'll be coming back. I think we made a friend. Here he comes. Yep, that's her. We're gonna have to name the birdie. Okay, y'all. That's a little bit of footage of the birdies. And it's like right there. It's always hard to point back anyway. Y'all see it right there. And we'll be watching them out. And also the robin's eggs, the nest that's in the tree. We'll let y'all know what's up with that. And but yeah, thanks for hanging out. All right, talk to you later and have a blessed day.